Hi, this is Resilient Ken Lau. Stay resilient. Now, in today's video, I'll share with you how to get data from SQL Server database. So, the first thing is that you need to set up your SQL Server and load the database sample. And I have actually done that. So this is my server location, and then the database is called AdventureWorks 2019, and this is the SQL statement. So I'm going to copy this, right, this one, and I go here and then I create a new Power BI and then just get data, right? Just click get data. So go to the database and look for SQL Server. And in the server, I just paste the server and I click on Advanced. And it's over here. I go back to my OneNote, copy this, and then paste it here. And then click OK. Oh yeah, when you have this SQL statement, you need to provide that. So the database is called AdventureWorks 2019. Click OK. And then I'm going to click on Transform Data. So what it does is that it loads the table that is within the database, right? The table is named as the, it's right here, there is a name called, alright, maybe I go back to here, right? The table is called persons, yeah, person. Okay, so we'll just done this step. Now, what's the next thing is that we're going to use something called the parameter, right? So I'm going to the top part here, manage parameter, and I click new parameter. And here I give a name called person type. So this parameter will eventually replace this part here as a filter. And at the moment, I'm just using the any type, and here I type EM. There are many person type, right? Click OK. Let's just try that first. Okay. So next, I go back to my query. Now, if I go to my level 1, level 2, level 3 Power Query class, right? Then it is very familiar to you, right? It's just uncheck everything. Just say I select EM, right? Or maybe IN. Okay, these are just a person type, right? Such as employee, customers, buyers, and so on. So click OK. Now, what happened is that Power Query will now just show those person type is in, right? So let's look at this here. Next one. So now what you do is that you go to the View tab, click on Advanced Editor. Instead of showing the fixed to int, right now I'm adjusting this to whatever I show on the other query, the other parameter, right here. The parameter is called person type. I click done. Look at that. It's now EM. It's not IN anymore. Alright, so next is that I go back to my home tab. I go to here and I click edit parameter. And my next video, just click manage parameter. Now in my next video, instead of using any value, I'm going to use list of value. So thank you very much. I hope you learn how to load a data SQL server database into Power BI and how to create a parameter and also modify the code, the M language, right, and change it to the parameter value. So thank you. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you. God bless Asia.